So to get started with your Beeline, you're going to want to go to the App Store or the Play Store, search for Beeline, and make sure you download this app here with the yellow icon. Once you've got that, you can open the app and you'll be greeted with this screen. And you need an account to use a Beeline, so we're just going to sign in with the one that we already have. Okay, so once you're signed in, you can choose the kind of journey you're going to be doing. So in our case, it's going to be motorcycling. Confirm that. I'm going to say yes please to this. And then the next thing is it's going to want to pair with your device. So you're going to take your charged up Beeline Moto, hold the top button just to turn it on, and then make sure that you search for the device. And it will tell you here 4C39 is this one. We'll just find it here in the menu. And then it will connect and ask you to pair. And you're going to want to make sure you do this through the app and not try and pair through the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Then it will connect, and sometimes there'll be an update to do, but in our case we don't have one. And that's it, you're ready to get started with your Beeline.